So, kakaprint lang po namin ng ganito. Nag-release kami ng 1,000 copies. Nag-release kami ng ganitong 100 package. So, you talk about numbers, okay? So, when you talk about numbers, you are discussing your brand. Okay? So, discuss your brand. 80% is all about your brand. And ikaw din, what is your brand? Okay, paano nga ba tayo magbenta? Sa lahat ng mga nasa sales, meron akong share sa inyo na strategy ni Gary Vaynerchuk, okay? Ano ang strategy niya do? Ganito. Paano daw ba tayo magbenta? We're going to use your brand and then you sell, okay? Para sa kanya, brand muna, then you sell. Alright? So, paano, Doc? So, ito po ang binigay niyang percentage, okay? So, according to Gary Vaynerchuk, 80%, okay? This is 80%. It's all about your brand, okay? And 20% is selling, okay? Kasi minsan sa strategy natin, 100% we are selling. Hindi natin binabanggit o hindi natin sinasabi, hindi natin pinaparamdam sa ating kliyente ang brand natin. So, kailangan 80% of what you are doing during the sales process, it's about your brand, okay? About your business brand and you as the salesperson, your brand, alright? So, paano nga ba natin gagawin? Okay, first, you talk about your company. Discuss mo yung company. Your company is your brand. Discuss about your CEO. Our CEO is a speaker. Our CEO is a rock star. Our CEO went to this conference. Our CEO has already built this. Our CEO was awarded ng ganitong award, ng ganito, number 1, top, belongs to top 5, top 10 of this category. So you talk about your CEO. And you talk about the success of your previous clients. That's your brand. Our client po last month, ito nakapagpatayo na po sila, ang net worth na po nila ngayon, nag-increase po sila, and yung sales nila, nag-3x po. Our client before, nag-10x po ang kanilang sales. You talk about the testimony or how you were able to help your clients, okay? And you talk about numbers of your business. So, mention about numbers. As of now po, meron na po kaming 10 branches. As of now po, we are dealing with this number of clients. Alam nyo po, every day, meron po sa amin nag-inquire na 100 clients po or 1,000 clients. So, meron po kaming production like this. Production namin ganito. Nakikita nyo ba sa TikTok? They are discussing or telling about their numbers. So, kakaprint lang po namin ng ganito. Nag-release kami ng 1,000 copies. Nag-release kami ng ganitong 100 package. So, you talk about numbers, okay? So, when you talk about numbers, you are discussing your brand. Okay? So, discuss your brand. 80% is all about your brand. And ikaw din, what is your brand? Alam niyo, minsan pag nagdi-discuss po ako, one-on-one, no, sa IMG Rockstar, sabi ko, I'm Doc Gigi. Yan, so, dati po akong principal. So, I'm talking about my previous experience. That's the brand. That's part of my brand. I used to be an educator. I used to be in the academe. I used to be a principal. That means I used to manage people. Yun ang sinasabi mo sa mga tao, that you have the capacity. I have the capacity to manage people. Na pag naging kliyente ko sila, I have the capacity to manage them, to lead them. Yun po ang ibig natin sabihin. So do not forget about your company's brand and your brand. After that's the 80%. Then selling is so easy. Ang dali nang magbenta. Ang dali nang i-offer, nang gusto mong i-offer. Ang dali na nitong ibenta, ang dali na nitong ibenta. 20%. Tatanong mo na lang, ilan pong orders nyo? Kailan po namin i-deliver to? Okay? So, sa lahat na nasa sales, review your script. Review how you present. Okay? Dapat merong brand. And according to Gary Vaynerchuk, 80% branding, 20% is selling. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. Thank you for watching. We are inviting you to attend our free webinar on how to save and invest the right way and how to avail sa Kaiser. PM na sa personal FB ko po.